Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to connect OpenAlgo with your favorite trading strategy and how you can automate your trading strategy without writing a single line of code. So ensure that the following things are already done. So ensure that OpenAlgo is already installed in a Python environment, preferably Python 3.10 or higher, and NGROK installed and .env configured with NGROK custom domain. Now I'm gonna start the OpenAlgo. Once I started the OpenAlgo, I'm gonna enter my OpenAlgo trading credentials, login credentials. So once you sign into the OpenAlgo portal, choose the broker, and then once the broker login is done, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Along with that, side by side, a master contract will be downloaded parallelly. So wait for the master contract to download successfully, then you can start your automation. So I'm going to go to the TradingView tab here. I'll go to the TradingView JSON generator, entering the trading symbol and selecting the exchange and generating the TradingView JSON message. Now this message is what I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to go to the TradingView. From here, I'll go to the indicator section. I'll go to the strategies and pick up my own favorite strategy of TradingView. So let me select my strategy here. So once the strategy got loaded to the TradingView, I am going to go and create an strategy alert. So let me click on the create alert from the alert section. I'll go and select the condition. From the condition I'll select my trading strategy, and then in the message section I'll go and paste the message from the OpenAlgo, and I'll enter my strategy name. The strategy name can be anything. So here I'm entering pivot reversal strategy, and then I'll go to the notification section. And from here in my OpenAlgo, I'll go and copy the TradingView webhook URL, and that webhook URL, I'm going to paste it in the webhook URL section, and I'm going to create the alert. So once the alert is created, it will be always running in the cloud. It is irrespective of the charts. So always set the time, what time frame that you want to run, what symbol you want to run, then you set the quantity also if required, then you can go and configure the trading strategy. Okay, now you can see that the strategy alert got triggered in Reliance. So you can also get the same alert in the OpenAlgo also, like a kind of a flashcard. If I go to the order book, you can see that the order book will be showing the message, and also in the trading book as well. And the position book shows how many open positions are open at this point in time. So what I'm going to do is, like, I'm also going to create another alert for State Bank of India. So let me go to the TradingView JSON generator. I'll enter the OpenAlgo symbol as SBIN, select the exchange, generate the JSON, and I'll go and copy the JSON. I'm going to repeat the same procedure over here. So I'll go to the indicators section, it's already there. So I'm going to go to the pivot reversal strategy. I'll go to the properties. So here I'm going to go and set the order size over here as 3 shares, and I'm going to configure the trading quantity. I'll press OK, and I'll go to the strategy section. I'll go to the triple dot. I'll add an alert. I can also add an alert from here, and I'm going to paste the message from the TradingView JSON generator. I'll give an alert name, and then I'm going to click a create. So once I click on create, you can see that it will be appearing in the alert section. Right now 2 strategies is what I configured. You can configure as many strategies you want. So I'm going to configure one more strategy towards Wipro. So Wipro in NSE is what I'm going to select. And for time being, I'm running in a 15-second charts. So let me enter the alert name. So once the alert name is done, again go to the OpenAlgo. So from here, I'm going to go and enter the trading symbol as Wipro, right? So the symbol should be always OpenAlgo symbol, not the broker symbol, right? So you should be familiar with the OpenAlgo symbol format. So the procedure remains the same. Obviously, I have to go back and enter the JSON message. So that JSON message is what I'm copying and pasting over here. So the third alert is also configured. So right now I'm running 3 alerts of same strategy. Also, I'm going to add an alert to an option symbol. So let me here, I'll go and pick up a Nifty 22,500 option symbol is what I'm going to pick up over here. And then I'm going to go to the OpenAlgo, and from here, if I don't know the option symbol, I can always go back and I can configure the symbol from the symbol box. So if you know the symbol, it's fine. So in my case, I'm going to enter the Nifty 09 May 24 22,500 call option, right? CE. So obviously it's an OpenAlgo symbol format. If in case if you have any doubts, you can always refer the OpenAlgo documentation. So I'm gonna again do the same procedure over here. Copy the message, create an alert, and copy the JSON generator. So I'll also want to configure the order size as well, which is very important. So I'm going to configure for like one lot. Once the lot size is configured, the same execution lots, how many lots it has to execute, it will be shown on the charts. I'm going to paste the TradingView message, enter the alert name, and once the alert name is done, I'll ensure that the notification webhook URL is right. Click on create. That creates my fourth alert here. Right, so right now 4 alerts has been running simultaneously. And also, if in case if you have any doubt with the OpenAlgo symbol, you can always go and search in the symbol search box. From here you can go to the select the exchange and then click on search. So you should be able to see the OpenAlgo and related information. So what is the OpenAlgo symbol, what is the corresponding broker symbol, and what are the things which got downloaded from the master contract. You'll be able to see those information over here. That is mostly for validation purpose. So once everything is proper, now everything happens seamlessly. If at all any alert is getting fired instantly it will be fired to OpenAlgo. Probably within a fraction of a second, the alert will be getting fired automatically. Right? That's a very interesting aspect of OpenAlgo itself. Now I'm gonna keep the TradingView and OpenAlgo side by side so that it is easy to measure the response time, how faster the execution is happening. So in that case, we can easily check if at all if there is any alert is happening, how much time it is taking to execute the trades in OpenAlgo, right? Any alert, if it is appearing, it will be appearing in the alert log section. So which you can see that an alert, buy alert is getting triggered instantly. You're seeing a green flashcard which is occurring in the OpenAlgo section. And you can also see that the same, whichever the symbol which got triggered an alert, the same thing you'll be able to see it in the order book section. Let me refresh the order book section here, which you can see that the option alert got triggered over here. And you can also go to the log section. From the log section, you can see any automated orders which got punched, that you will be able to see it in the log section. And if at all, if there is going to be a buy signal, you'll be getting a green flashcard. If at all there is any sell signal, you'll be getting a red flashcard. With a small sound alert also you'll be getting, obviously. As we speak, you can see that instantly as red alert, that means a sell signal alert is getting triggered over here. A red color flashcard is popped up in the OpenAlgo section, and you can see that the Wipro sell order has been got triggered. The same thing you can see in the alert log section in TradingView also. Alright, I hope now you get very much clarified about how you can connect your TradingView strategies with OpenAlgo without writing a single piece of code. And in the next video tutorial, we'll be catching up more interesting concepts with various trading platforms. And for the first timers, OpenAlgo is a completely an open source platform. Means the source code is completely free. Anybody can integrate their trading strategies with OpenAlgo at free of cost. They completely own the TradingView bridge. And not only it's a TradingView bridge, it's more than that. You can also connect your AMI broker, MT4 without paying any penny to the algo trading platforms. And if in case you are a developer, you can also develop on top of OpenAlgo. And OpenAlgo is a completely and 100% open source free applications. Right now, OpenAlgo is integrated with the top brokers. So very soon more new tutorials will be coming up. So let's catch on in our upcoming session with more interesting content. See you. Thank you. Bye-bye.